Tara.
My mom won't let me out in public anymore. I have to go down to Hawaii to see a movie because I've been to all the theaters in Canada. I know why. I don't know why. Like, is it because I went to Walmart and painted my skin blue? Does my mom not like Jewish avatars? I'm so sorry. So sorry. Or, you know, it's not fair. The Smurfs were blue. Everybody loved them, Mom. But now since I carry around a bow and arrow instead of pepper spray, I'm suddenly a threat to society. Oh, look, there's an upside. Look. Ah! Or is it because, you know, I went to PetSmart with my mom. She wanted to buy me a happy. Well, I didn't want a happy. I wanted one of those warrior birds called ekrans from Avatar, as you know. Puppies have eyes and pee on the floor. And smell. And it doesn't smell like a type of like floor, you know, flower. It doesn't smell good, no. It smells gross, like urine. That's what it is, it's urine. So, yeah, it climbs up over 500 teeth and can fly. It's like a fly. Wings, you do the math. What pet do you want? So I kind of stole an ekran from the pet store at night. Pretty devilish. I named him Dee. You know, kids, they take their cars, they drive to school. I ride my car. It's pretty bedazzled. It's pretty pimp. The kids know pimp. It's pretty eco-friendly too for your tree huggers, you know? No gas, a little bit from human gas. And then when I get to class, you know, the office is like, turn and please report to the office. You have 2 overdue books. One is Chicken Soup for the Avatar Soul. The other, Tribal Dances for Dummies. You know, and then, yeah, so I go up, and then, you know, it just sucks Pandora because that bunch I got to eat in the bathroom stalls. Hello. Yeah, you know, eating my sloppy Joe, whatever the heck that is. Some of the meat in a bun, I don't know. Human food. You know, the duty can't even eat with me because it's a male. Not even that it has wings, it's a male, it's a boy. So I guess human rules, they can't come into the girls' washroom. How sick is that? And Pandora, it's like, you know, we share bathrooms. It's like, oh, a treat, there's a bathroom. It's not enclosed. So, you know, then I hear a girl come sit in the stall next to me. Yeah, it makes those noises in the bathroom. Oh, crap, there's no more toilet paper in the bathroom. Excuse me? I'm also not allowed in public washrooms anymore. That's there again. Woo! That's a sport. Is that hockey for girls? If the girls play hockey. show up. I get to meet a lot of unique people growing up too. Like Chris, Aaron, Sam, Alex, Ian, Elliot. I wish I could say these people were men. Admittedly, there are a lot of butch girls in my net. It's kind of like a Day Street Alliance meeting. On skates. I remember the most unique person I've ever met through net. Her name was Bobby. Or as other people like to call her, Bobby! Bobby was big. Bobby was scary. Bobby kind of looked a lot like Pillsbury Doughboy. On skates. Bobby didn't like me. I don't know why. I only called her a butch lesbian man girl like twice. So one time, Bobby threatened to beat me up after the game. On Facebook. Really, Bobby? During the game, I saw Bobby skate towards me. Oh, sorry, I saw Bobby skate towards me. My lights flashed before my eyes, and then Bobby tripped. And Bobby fell. And Bobby was taken away by the ambulance. I have no idea how that happened.
I love my playing bracelets. Now, I don't have to shove the food out of my mouth every time I brush my teeth. Although these are an after snack.
Nasty.
That doesn't really matter because ever since I moved to Canada, my parents don't allow me to eat food I find.
Oh no.
And not just food from my mouth. And when I'm walking in, oh gee, okay, well, I find granola bar.
That's funny.
Granola bar. You shouldn't have eaten that. My granddad is the person who tried granola bar. When the person is counting now, we don't need to say. Well, there's a man in a suit with a name tag, Scotiabank. It's a weird name if you ask him, but anyway. You can't find a house in Michigan. You can't find a house in well, after she leaves, I asked my dad, Dad, who was that man? It's a friend of mine.